fresh, rolling through the streets, smoking to the beats. In that blunt like a fuck, conversations, my girl, sniffles on my motherfucking fresh, rolling through the streets, smoking to the beats. In that blunt like a fuck, conversations, my girl, sniffles on his motherfucking fresh, rolling through the streets, smoking to the beats. In that blunt like I don't give a fuck. I got a Mercedes in my garage, and like Greg Alexander, I did a porno for code because this motherfucker was bro. Now I'm not saying I'm rich, but I have more power than I ever did. Was once just a dumbass white kid. I'm not even a man, superhuman. I didn't even ask for this shit. I was born with the power to do it. Life handed me my lemon, so I said screw it. Let's do this. Start selling lemonade on the corner, one cup quarter, and that's how I paid these lyrics in the studio just for you to hear, bro. So tell me what tell me what if you like my shit, and I probably shouldn't tell you. Last night I took your girl out for a drink. Yeah, bitch, suck that dick. Sniffles on his motherfucking fresh, going through the streets, smoking to the beats.